Hello everyone. So in this video today, I will be teaching you guys watching how to basically recover your Google account without an email or a phone number. So with that being said, let's go straight into it and open up our Safari browser and search for Google support and then wait for it to load. Then click on Google Help and then wait for the website to load on your screen. It may take some time, so please have patience. So you'll have two options of Help Center on and Google, and you can also see various applications of Google. And yeah, so basically describe your issue, or my better option is to simply go to the Help Center or uh, Google itself. And if it does not work, the last option is to simply submit your feedback. So after allow cookies, etc., just simply describe what is your issue of what you're facing of. For example, briefly describe that you have an email that is proven to you, and in the upload screenshot, upload a verification or proof that this email belongs to you, and so that, and describe that you forgot the mobile number and the recovery email and you want to recover it, uh, and you don't have the phone number or the recovery email. So yeah, just simply upload a screenshot to prove that that email belongs to you, and then submit a feedback, and then they will get back to you in 2 to 3 working days. And yeah, this is how you can easily do it. There's no other way. You will need to ask Google for help and get back with their and get help from the customer support. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. That's all from my side. I wish you a great rest of your day. Bye bye.